surgical treatments for ED. Even if you have other medical conditions, they're generally no problem. We know that hearing we can try again next weekend is tough. But what you want to hear is wow. We at MyMen'sClinic.com have helped thousands of men just like you, thousands more nationally. We can make one simple guarantee, and we do. See our licensed medical staff. If we can't show you positive results during the first appointment, that appointment is free. Guys, let's get the wow back in the bedroom. Guys, book online at MyMen'sClinic.com or call 904-615-8885. Again, book online, MyMen'sClinic.com or call 904-615-8885. Guys, let's fix it for her. It's not hard.
Now, weather and traffic from 104.5 WOKV. Jacksonville's news and talk.
On Action News Jax, Chief Meteorologist Mike Burris. Despite plenty of sun today, you'll want a sweater or jacket all day long in the full first alert forecast in less than 10 minutes.
There's a crash on I-95 northbound. That's between JTB and Bowden Road, taking out the right lane. I'm looking at the traffic maps now, and it's not causing any major delays. Just merge to the left early. Right now, it's 10 minutes to get from JTB up to I-10. With Safe Touch Security First Alert Traffic, I'm Brian Riley.
This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk. The talk show that's getting you talking. You're with Brian Kilmeade.
It was really interesting to see how immediately after the election, this new PR messaging came out. A time for unity, a time for healing, they said. And the idea was that after 5 years of what they put Trump and his supporters through, everybody would just immediately submit and decide to let bygones be bygones. There really could be unity, as you point out. There are things that could be done.
But it's not going to happen. There's no apology coming this way. And you have to wonder if the President of the United States doesn't gain any ground in Pennsylvania and Arizona and Georgia, Wisconsin, if he even goes to the inauguration, which I think will further fracture the country. But I understand his bitterness. This really might have come down to, in all retrospect, mail-in voting. But I can really see the path for the president. I mean, first off, win these 2 Senate races. Next off, help get back the House. And then you loom in 2022 to 2024 as the guy that's going to go be